All right, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back. Court will resume with the March 3rd, 2022 docket. And one more time, we are on live stream. I see Mr. Alejandro Munoz. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Judge.
I think we're trying to get your client. Is it Mario Magana?
Yes, Judge.
All right. All right, there he is. He needs to unmute. And it'll be a plea, right, sir?
No, Judge, this is just an announcement. I filed a motion to withdraw on both cases, Judge.
Okay, motion to withdraw. He's got two cases, you said?
Yes, Judge.
I have. Okay, let me find the other one over here. Motion to withdraw. Number 6, number 1. I think it's CR 19-06-342D. CR 21-02-537D. Both of them, Mario Alberto Magana. Are those the only two?
Yes, Judge.
All right, you have a motion to withdraw?
Yes, Judge.
All right, it is hereby granted. And then we must reset both cases to give me a date.
I think we already have a date? Mr. Munoz?
I don't believe so. I believe this hearing was set for the
Okay,
It's August 30th,
August 30th.
and then if Rick can reappoint on the field.
Okay, it'll be August 30th, 9 a.m. August 30th, 9 a.m. And I think bailiff will appoint somebody else from the wheel.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, so remember that, Mr. Magana, August 30th, 9 a.m. And later on, we will advise you as to who's going to be the new attorney. Okay, sir?
He needs to unmute.
All right. You need to unmute. There it is. Okay.
I just noticed. Thank you, sir. Appreciate that.
Can
Thanks so
you
much.
give us his email so Rick can send
Oh,
us?
yeah, you have an email so we can
Yes,
send you.
Yes, it's Mario Magana 838@gmail.com.
838
Yes, 838 at gmail.com.
at gmail.com. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, that'll do it. Thank you very much. Your excuse, and you too, Mr. Munoz. Have a great day, sir.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
All right, bye-bye.
Mr. Patino
Mr. Patino,
is number 3,
number 3.
and that is going to be a plea.
Mr. Louis Patino. There he is, Mr. Patino. It'll be a plea, Mr. Patino.
Good morning, Judge. Good afternoon, Judge. Yes, Judge, it is.
All right, good afternoon. I believe your client is Juan Salinas.
Yes, Judge.
All right, can you hear me, Mr. Salinas?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, please raise your right hand. You swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. CR 20-04-698D, Juan Salinas. Your charge, DWI, Class B misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to 180 days in jail and not more than a $2,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
Yes.
You understand that you're entitled to a jury trial, you're entitled to an appeal, and that you waive those two rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have you ever been declared mentally incompetent?
No, Your Honor.
You understand that the court does not have to follow the recommendation?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and what is your plea, sir? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
And are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Yes, Judge. State offer plea document and offense report as Exhibit 1, notification and certification of defendant right of appeal as Exhibit 2, waiver of Article 39.14 disclosure as Exhibit 3, waiver of arrest and need assessment as Exhibit 4. State would also request defense counsel to stipulate in the venue and jurisdiction of the honorable court, and to also stipulate that evidence has been filed sufficient to plead guilty.
We have no objection, Your Honor. We so stipulate to the prosecutor's recommendations.
And without objection, so admitted. It'll be the judgment of the court that Juan Salinas is guilty as charged in CR 20-04-698D. Recommendation, state.
Yes, Judge. State recommend $300 fine, court cost, 180 days in Hidalgo County Jail, probate for 10 months, an alcohol course, an interlock ignition device, 90 days since his driver's license suspension, and 20 commissioner's hours.
90 days and then 20 hours, right, sir?
Yes.
All right. Mr. Patino, is that the understanding, sir?
That is my understanding, Your Honor, but we asked for the court's consideration on fine and court costs and his CSR judge, he is employed at this moment, full-time. So we asked for consideration on those, Judge.
Okay. All right, let me away the community hours, okay, because of COVID and whatnot.
Thank you, Judge.
And then on the fine, we can go 100 plus court costs.
Thank
All
you
right.
very much, Judge.
Did you understand, Mr. Salinas, $100 fine plus court costs, 180 days in jail, suspended and placed on 10 months probation, alcohol class, intellect device, and 90 days suspension of driver license to run concurrent with any suspension before. You understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Good luck with your probation, okay, sir?
Thank you.
Thank
All
you
right,
so much,
bye-bye.
Your Honor. Good to see you.
Yes, you have a great day, Mr. Patino.
Have a good day, Judge.
You too. Bye-bye, huh?
Hey, Mike.
Mr. Abel Garza, he's got number 4 and number 5, and the defendant is in SAT.
All right, Mr. Garza, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Judge.
You represent Anthony Mendez?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm trying to find him.
Anthony Mendez. I think I need to put the video. I
Yeah, he
see
needs to-
the SATF.
Correct. We just need to see him or something, put him on video.
They need to put video and unmute.
Yeah, video and unmute. State, is it going to be a plea on one case and then announcement?
Yes, Judge.
Correct?
Yes,
Yes, Judge.
Okay, one plea. The plea is probably going to be on number 4. And then number 5 will probably be an announcement. Okay.
Do you want me to give him a call? I can do that right now.
Yes, give him a call and tell him we need video and unmute.
And on me, yes.
All right. Meanwhile, we'll probably get somebody else and we'll come right back.
Mr. Peña has his.
Yes,
client.
Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Ospina?
I
Okay.
don't know if his client is in his office.
Okay. Which case is that? Number
Number 7.
7 and 8, right? 7 and 8. Mr. Peña, can you hear me, sir?
Your Honor, there you go. Yes, Your Honor, I can.
All right. Good afternoon, sir. Good to see
Good
you.
afternoon, Judge.
PTD.
You have a client. Is it Abdullah? I'm sorry.
Abdul Habib Arif Pariani.
Okay. And he's got two cases.
Yes, Your Honor, they're both pretrial. They're going to be he's going to be put on the pretrial diversion program. And he's present here in my office today, Your Honor.
Oh, okay. He's going to plead to both of them, and both of them are PTDs.
That is correct, Judge.
Oh, okay. All right. All right. And so he's there. I see 2 gentlemen. Okay, right. Okay.
That's his father and your cat. Take it.
Okay. Now I see him. Now I can recognize him. Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. It'll be a plea on 2 cases. We'll accept the guilty pleas and then we'll set him aside for a while there until you get into the program. And hopefully down the line, we'll dismiss him later on. You understand that, sir?
Understood, sir.
Okay, very well. CR 2103-003, CR 2103-004D, all of them. Abdullah Habib Arif Pariani. All right, let me see here. The first one, Class B misdemeanor, possession. The second one, Class A misdemeanor on a driver license infraction. Okay, on the Class B, the potential penalty can be up to, I'm sorry, you swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Absolutely, Your Honor.
You may put your hand down. First case, Class B misdemeanor, and in the second one, Class A. On the Class B, the potential penalty can be up to 180 days in jail and not more than a $2,000 fine upon conviction. The second one, Class A, carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that, sir?
Understood, sir.
And you understand that for each case, you're entitled to a jury trial, you're entitled to an appeal. Did you waive those 2 rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have you ever been declared mentally incompetent?
No, Your Honor.
You understand that the court does not have to follow the recommendations after you give your plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
And once again, what is your plea, sir? Guilty, not guilty?
Guilty, sir.
And are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily on both cases?
Yes, sir.
All right, state.
Yes, Judge. State offer plea document and offense report as Exhibit 1, notification and certification of defendant right of appeal as Exhibit 2, waiver of Article 914, disclosure as Exhibit 3, waiver of risk and need assessment as Exhibit 4, PT pack as Exhibit 5, State would also request defense counsel to stipulate in the venue and jurisdiction of his honorable court, and to also stipulate that evidence has been filed sufficient to culpably plead guilty.
So agreed as stipulated, Your Honor, and no objections to the evidence.
And without objection, so admitted. However, at this time, the court will withhold the finding of guilt or innocence on both cases, will suspend any judgments whatsoever, and will now turn to the PTD program for each case. All we ask, Mr. Pariani, is to follow the terms and conditions of the program, and hopefully down the line, we will dismiss both cases. We will give you a date for a status hearing,
December 7th,
December 7th,
9 a.m.
9 a.m., December 7th, 9 a.m.
Now, if they're gonna be dismissed earlier, Ms. Jessica can let us know.
Right. If for whatever reason they're going to be dismissed earlier, administratively or whatnot, just let the court know. We'll bump it up. But for right now, for the record, December 7th, 9 a.m. for status
Thank you.
hearing.
Thank you,
Okay,
Your Honor.
so you're welcome, sir, and good luck there, Mr. Pariani. Okay.
Thank you,
Yes, thank you,
Judge.
sir. Appreciate it.
Good seeing you, Judge.
Good seeing you again, sir. Bye bye.
Hey, say hello to your mom.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, I think Mr. Abel is ready.
Mr. Garza, let's go to Mr. Garza.
Number
Yes,
four
Your Honor.
Four and
and number
five.
five.
Yes,
All
Your
right,
Honor.
Abel. You have Anthony Mendez, right, sir?
Yes, Your Honor. He's present, and Mr. Garcia from the facility was gonna assist us to unmute it.
Oh, okay.
Yes, he's unmuted.
Yeah, he's unmuted. Can you
Okay.
hear me, Mr. Mendez?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Yes, sir. Good afternoon. And state, I understand one plea and one announcement, right, sir?
Yes, Judge.
All right, here it is. CR. Oh,
Raise your hand.
you swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Anthony, did you hear Mr. Mendez?
Mr. Mendez, did you hear me?
I don't
All right.
see him.
The screen went black.
Everything went black here.
There it
Okay, there it is. Can you hear me, Mr. Mendez?
Yes, sir.
All right. You swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Yes? All right. All right. He's still skipping. I don't know what's going on here. He is skipping. Okay. Abel, does he
Yes.
have a phone?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Your case, CR 20-06-850D, Anthony Mendez, your charge, Class B misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to 180 days in jail and not more than a $2,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
Yes, Mr. Mendez, please answer if you hear.
Yeah, he's frozen.
I can give you a thumbs up.
Yes. Oh, it's frozen.
Let me give him a call, Judge, again. I apologize.
If he's got a phone, put him on speaker. Abel, put him on speaker and I'll hear what he's saying.
Very good,
Okay.
Judge.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Let's
Yeah,
go.
they got disconnected.
They got disconnected. Just put him on speaker. Mr. Gorena, yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Judge.
Got one case, right, sir? That'll be Yarasi Salinas, right?
Correct.
It's a complaint, sir.
It's a compliance hearing. It's Yarasi Janet Salinas, CR 21-03-109D. It's a complete. She's connecting right there. What was it, Mr. Gorena? Was she supposed to get the interlock device?
She had an interlock device, but she had told the court last time we were before, Your Honor, that she was having problems with it. I believe she was going to switch over to another provider, and I'm not sure what's happened since then.
Okay, Ms. Ramirez?
She's number
Judge,
9, number
she still hasn't switched over and she's not testing. Initially, the first violation hearing was because she was coming out positive and she was not taking her test. She said it was the app, the phone, but it's still happening, Judge, and she hasn't switched over.
18. She has 2 DWIs, number 9 and number 18.
Okay, let's see. Number 9, what?
18.
Yeah, so you need to unmute.
Number 9 and number 18.
I'm sorry about that. I set up an appointment with Smart Start, and that's gonna happen on the 10th. I just didn't see the reason behind paying for the test that I wasn't taking.
It's for March 10th, which is the meeting that you have?
Yes, sir.
And what are you supposed to do on that date?
I'm supposed to go and pick up the device and have it set up.
Judge, she
Okay.
was switching over to Smart Start because she blames her phone and the app that it wasn't working, and that's why she couldn't take her test. So I had suggested Smart Start because it doesn't require a cell phone, but this has been over a month, Judge. Now she's saying that the appointment is set up for next week, and she hasn't been testing on the other one because she didn't want to pay for it because she's already getting a new one, Judge. So she hasn't been testing for the last month, Judge.
The idea was that we were gonna set up with Smart Start, and they gave me that date, and I couldn't pay for the silver bag that I was using.
Okay, you want to come back again in March or what? Give me okay, one more date here after the 10th.
Yes, sir.
All right, let me get a date. Yeah, and you're supposed to be testing, okay?
Yes, sir. Do I hold off on it for the 10th, or do I go get the other one? It's because it only worked on a tablet that my brother has.
So yeah, go for the 10th.
Okay.
So that would mean that she's still not gonna test, Judge, because she doesn't have the other device is not activated. She doesn't want to pay for that other one because she's gonna pay for this one. So is that okay, or I mean, she hasn't been in compliance, Judge.
What time is the appointment on the 10th?
I have the information right here. Let me see. I think it's at 3. Let me see. Okay, I have it here. It's at 4:30.
4:30.
On March the 10th.
March the 10th, 4:30, okay?
Yes, sir.
Oh. March 11th, 10 a.m. is our next hearing, March 11th, 10 a.m.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay,
That's gonna be via Zoom, Judge.
yes, March 11th, 10 a.m. Okay, we'll see what other report we gotta do on March 11th, but we'll check it out.
Okay.
All right, please, no alcohol consumption while this case is pending, okay, ma'am?
No, ya no vienes camada.
All right,
Okay,
all right, we'll see you. Stay safe.
bye.
Bye-bye.
Mr. Garza.
Thank you, Mr. Gorena. Okay, we're back to, Mr. Garza, we're back with you. I think it's round 3
Yes.
already.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and hopefully it'll be the charm here.
Yes.
Can you hear me, Mr. Mendez?
He's muted.
Okay,
He's doing-
Mr. Garcia,
Yes,
you
Your Honor.
unmuted?
All right, let's give it another. I think a plea on one, announcement on the other one. CR 2006 850D, Anthony Mendez, your charge here, Class B misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to 180 days in jail and not more than a $2,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
And you understand that you're entitled to a jury trial, you're entitled to an appeal. Did you waive those 2 rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have you ever been declared mentally incompetent?
Did you hear that, Mr. Mendez?
Can you repeat that, Your Honor?
Have you ever been declared mentally incompetent by a doctor, psychiatrist, somebody like that?
No, Your Honor.
You understand that the court does not have to follow the recommendation after you give a plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what is your plea, sir? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
And are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Yes, Judge. State offer plea document and offense report as Exhibit 1. Notification and certification of defendant right of appeal as Exhibit 2. Waiver of Article 39.14 disclosure as Exhibit 3. Waiver of risk and need assessment as Exhibit 4. State will also request defense counsel to stipulate to the venue and jurisdiction of this honorable court, and to also stipulate that evidence has been filed is sufficient to call for plea guilty.
No objection, Your Honor, to each of those and stipulate to venue jurisdiction.
Without objection, so admitted. It will be the judgment of the court. The defendant is guilty as charged. Recommendation state.
Yes, Judge. The state recommend $200 fine, court costs, 180 days in the Delaware County Jail, probate for 8 months, an anger management course, and 20 community service hours.
All right. And Mr. Garza, is that the understanding, sir?
That's our understanding, Your Honor. We've been discussing it. I discussed it with Mr. Mendez when I visited at SATF. We wanted to request the court that to run concurrent with his felony cause number CR 1655 21F, Your Honor. F like Frank.
Like Fred. Yeah, like Fred. Yeah.
Yes, Judge. Like out of 332nd court, district court, and he did receive a deferred on that sentence. So
Okay.
we're requesting that any fees or costs or
Okay. We'll run it concurrent with the felony case. No fine, no court costs, no fees, no community hours. It'll run concurrent with the felony case.
very well, Your Honor. And he
Okay.
had asked me for time served, Mr. Mendez, and I did discuss it with Mr. Gwynn even today, this afternoon.
Okay.
And he said he didn't have any days credit, like 0 days in jail.
Okay.
And so Mr. Mendez said that he elected not to then to go back to jail.
Okay.
That's why we're pleading to the probation judge.
All right. And we have another case, right, Mr. Gwynn?
Yes, Judge. On CR 2006851D, Judge, that will be dismissed with the aforementioned plea, Judge.
Court will hereby dismiss CR 200651D State versus Anthony Mendez. This case is hereby dismissed. All right. Now that'll do it, Mr. Mendez. Your case will run concurrent with the felony case, and your second case got dismissed. Okay, sir?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you very
All
much.
right. Thank you.
Have
Thank
a
you
good
very
one.
much. Good luck with your probation there. Okay. Have a great day, Abel.
You too, Judge. Thank you.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Have
Bye.
a great day. You're in
You
your
too.
shot.
Bye.
Bye.
Number two, Mr.
That's it,
Arturo
Mr.
Garcia.
Mendez. Thank you.
Yes, yes, sir.
Thank you.
Mr. Arturo Garcia.
It's a restitution.
Oh, yeah. It's a restitution on CR 19-10250D. Joseph Anthony Rodriguez.
Yes, sir.
State, what do we have?
Yes, Judge. When the defendant pled on this case, we thought it was going to be an open restitution to an unknown.
Mhm.
But we soon found out that there is a known person, a known victim, and that we have an amount. And I emailed defense counsel the receipt.
What's the name of the victim?
And you know that you have the name of the victim?
Yes, Judge. The name of the victim is Norma Salinas.
Norma.
But Judge, I mean, the victim submitted that to us like a couple years ago, and we weren't able to reach her to appear today.
Okay.
Is the receipt suffice, Judge, or?
Did you give her an amount?
Yes, Judge. She gave me a receipt, and
Okay.
I emailed it to defense counsel.
Okay. What was the amount?
The amount was $1,405.95, Judge.
1405.95.
Yes, Judge.
1405.95. And what was damaged on this one? Her car or property? What was it?
It was a car, Judge.
Okay. Did you ask her if she had insurance or anything like that?
Well, Judge, like I said, I was able to make contact with her because it's like 2 years,
Okay.
3 years almost.
All right. All right. Did you understand that, Mr. Rodriguez?
Yes, Your Honor.
They're seeking here an amount of $1,405.95.
Yes, I understand.
Okay. And how long is your probation? 6 months, 10 months, a year? What is it?
I believe it was for 1 year.
For about a year?
I believe so.
Okay, then that amount would be, I guess, divided by the number of months, and it'll be an amount that you can pay per month.
Okay.
Yes, Judge, we do that. We divide it monthly.
You divide it monthly, okay? All right, then that'll do it. Anything, Mr. Garcia?
Well, Judge, good afternoon.
Yes, sir, good afternoon.
For Mr. Rodriguez.
Yes.
I would have liked to have the victim here so I can make sure she didn't double dip with insurance. Now, I don't have anything to prove that she's recovered under her insurance, but I would have loved to have her here. I did receive the documents. Prosecutor's correct. Mike did send that to me today. as far as having her present, I mean, that would be my main concern, Judge. I would like her here if she was to testify in open court, because I don't see her recovering twice. You see what I'm saying, Judge?
Right, to avoid the double dipping.
Yes, Judge.
Well, then are we able to get her, Mr. Nguyen?
We sent out the restitution letter to her, Judge, and she hasn't replied back to me on it.
All right. You know what? Okay, then we need to find her.
When does the 30 days expire?
Oh, the 30 days are gonna expire already?
When did he plea out?
I believe that was earlier this year in February.
February the 10th of 2022.
Yeah, so.
How was it again? February 10th?
Yes, sir.
Of what? Of this month, right?
Yes.
But then we can only have it by March 10th, though. Okay. Well, it's true. We need to find her, because if we are going to start paying any kind of payment, we got to know who we're going to give it to. You know?
Correct. Judge,
So-
that's another concern, is how would she even receive it if she hasn't responded? If she even knows the money's going to be in the registry of the court
All right.
for 10
All right.
years, or how long does,
All right. Let me see if I can get a date here. So we'll just give it one more try, Mr. Nguyen. See if we can find her.
Hey, Judge.
March 9th, 11:30. March 9th, 11:30. Okay.
Will that be by Zoom, Judge?
It'll be Zoom, yes, sir.
Okay, Judge.
And March 9th, you haven't got too long to look for her, but give it a try. You never know.
That's
All
all
right.
I ask, Judge.
Okay.
All right. All right. So you and your client have a big excuse. Have a great day. And we'll see you on March the 9th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, hon. Bye-bye.
Mr. Lauro Trejo?
Mr.
Number
Trejo.
10. It's a compliance hearing.
Mr. Trejo is here for CR 2103-190D. Ernesto Guerrero.
Good morning, Judge. Lauderdale here for Mr. Guerrero. He should be signed on, I believe.
All right. We're doing a compliance hearing?
Yes, Judge, that's correct. The court had ordered a portable device or an interlock device. At the time that was ordered, my client had just been released from prison.
Okay.
And since he separated from his wife, he doesn't have a real place to stay or a permanent place to stay. He's bouncing from friends to friends' houses. So he's asking for additional time, Judge, to get that device and comply with the court's order.
Okay. Let me find some date here. Let me see.
March 24th,
March 24th,
3 p.m.
3 p.m. March 24th, 3 p.m. Did you hear me, Mr. Guerrero?
Yes, sir, I did.
Okay. Good luck with that, okay?
Yes, sir.
In the meantime, remember, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, March 24th, 3 p.m. Thank you, Mr. Trejo. Have a great day, sir.
You too, Judge. Thank you.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bringing in Mr. Joe Bravo, that's number 20.
Mr. Bravo.
It's a restitution hearing.
Mr. Joe Bravo. Number 20. Yes, sir, Mr. Bravo. Good to see you again.
Yeah.
You're here on a restitution hearing. Jesus Armando Cantu. State, what do we have?
Yes, Judge. Restitution, we said 0 for this one, Judge.
All right, CR 22-01019D. Jesus Armando Cantu, restitution 0 as per state. Thank you. Is that it for Mr. Bravo?
That's it.
Thank you, Mr. Bravo. Have a good day. We'll see you. Bye-bye.
Miss Catherine Perez, number 16 and number 17.
16 and 17, Miss Catherine Perez.
2, please.
All right. All right. State. On Ramiro Diaz. Is it going to be a plea on both cases?
Yes, Judge. It will be on both.
A plea on both. Okay, a plea on both. And Ms. Perez, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
We're trying to find here Ramiro Diaz.
He should be logged. I see him.
Yes, there he is. He needs to unmute. There it is.
Okay.
All right. Good afternoon. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right. Good afternoon, sir. Please raise your hand. You swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You may put your hand down. Two cases, Mr. Diaz, CR 21-08-569D, DWI, Class B misdemeanor, CR 21-08-570D, Ramiro Diaz, accident involving damage to a vehicle, Class B misdemeanor. Each case is a Class B misdemeanor. Each case carries a potential penalty of up to 180 days in jail and not more than a $2,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
Yeah.
You understand that you're entitled to a jury trial, you're entitled to an appeal, and that you waived those two rights?
Yeah. But
have you ever been declared mentally incompetent?
No.
No. You understand that the court does not have to follow the recommendations after you give a plea? You understand that? Yes.
Yeah.
And how do you plead? Guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty, but
I'm sorry?
Yeah, but like I was gonna ask you a question. Like I have to pay like a fine, like payments. The fine.
Okay. Okay. Are you going to plead guilty for both cases, freely and monetarily?
Yeah. So I'm guilty.
All right, sir. You're guilty for both cases. Okay. And so, well, okay, one moment. State evidence.
Yes, Judge. State offer plea document and offense report as Exhibit 1, notification and certification of defendant right of appeal as Exhibit 2, waiver of Article 39.14 disclosure as Exhibit 3, waiver of risk and need assessment as Exhibit 4. State will also request defense counsel to stipulate in the venue and jurisdiction of its honorable court, and to also stipulate that evidence has been filed sufficient to plead guilty.
No objections to the admission of evidence, Your Honor, and so stipulated.
And without objections, so admitted. It'll be the judgment of the court. The defendant is guilty as charged on both cost numbers. And Mr. Diaz, you're only going to be responsible for one fine and one court cost, although you're going to plead to two cases. Okay, sir?
For like in payments, right?
Yeah, it'll be, yeah, oh yeah, yes. You're going to discuss that with the probation.
Because I'm hard to that way.
Okay, you're going to discuss that with the probation department, and she'll explain to you what you got to do, okay?
Okay.
All right, let me hear the recommendations, State.
Yes,
For
Judge.
the CR 21-08-569D.
Yes, Judge. For that one, the state recommend $250 fine, court costs, 180 days in the Delaware County Jail, probate for 1 year, an interlock ignition device, an alcohol course, 90 days tested driverless suspension, 40 commissioner's hours.
All right, that's the recommendation. And let me hear the second one.
Yes, Judge. For the second one,
Yeah, CR 21-08-570D.
for that one, the state recommend $250 fine, court costs, 180 days in the Delaware County Jail, probate for 1 year, a defensive driving course, 40 commissioner's hours, and open restitution to Pedro Salas.
Pedro who?
Salas.
Salas. Salas?
Mhm.
Okay. Oh, okay, Miss Perez, Mr. Diaz. On the second one, no fine, no court costs, no fees, no community hours. But we have open restitution to Pedro Salas. That'll be a date of
March 24th,
March 24th,
3 p.m.
3 p.m. March 24th, 3 p.m. If in case there's restitution, we'll find out. But again, no fine, no court costs, no community hours on the second case. On the first case, no community hours because of COVID.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And so they're going to run concurrent. But to answer Mr. Diaz's question, yes, only one fine, only one court cost, and they'll break it down in however many months, well, by 12, I guess, on a payment plan, something like that, okay?
Thank you for the consideration, Your Honor, and I believe he's already had the device.
Okay, very good, very
All
good.
right.
So that'll do it, Mr. Diaz. Good luck with your probation, okay, sir?
Okay.
You'll be talking later with the probation department, and they'll explain to you what you got to do, okay?
Okay.
Sir, do you know the day for the probation? The day that he needs to report?
The probation department.
Your
will reach
Honor,
out.
I can explain everything to my client and they'll be reaching out to him. Mr. Diaz, if you have any questions, please call my office.
Yes, they'll explain to you later, okay? Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. That's
Okay,
all I have.
bye-bye.
May I be excused?
You have a great day. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Who else you want to call next?
Gentleman with the cap, go ahead and remove your cap.
Where's the gentleman here? Jaciel?
You can, ya te puedes ir. Ya te puedes ir.
Who's his lawyer?
You can leave already, right?
Yes.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. Jaciel, what's his own name? Jaciel?
I don't know. That's what we need to ask him. 'cause I don't
Okay,
see him on the doc.
okay, Jaciel. Anybody else we have to talk to?
Then we have Justin. Compliance.
Okay.
And just for the record, Deputy Austin from the county courthouse just called me that Justin Watley is currently outside the courtroom, and it appears he does have proof of the installation of the device.
Okay, well, it's the one in the waiting room. We need to know who this gentleman is.
Okay. Okay, Jaciel. Yeah, you need to unmute.
And remove your cap.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Jaciel, which is your case?
It's case CR 22-00707D.
Okay, Salvador Mendoza?
Yes. But,
okay. Okay. Let me ask state. On CR 22-00707D, it's a restitution hearing. Any restitution, Mr. State?
Yes, Judge. The victim was gonna provide us with the receipt today, but I haven't heard from him back.
Okay, and what is the name of the victim?
It's Jaciel.
Sure, that, Judge. Hold on.
Is it Jaciel?
Yeah, it's me.
What's his last name?
And your last name, Jaciel?
Hernandez.
Hernandez. Jaciel Hernandez is the victim in this case. Is that what you show, State?
Yes, Judge, I do.
Okay. And I'm sorry, what was the amount on this one?
Well, I didn't know because he didn't provide me before the hearing, Judge.
Okay. Do you have damages, Mr. Hernandez?
Yeah, my vehicle was completely totaled.
Okay. And did you, what year is your vehicle?
It's a 2012
2012, what kind of car?
Nissan Sentra.
Nissan Sentra. And did you have any insurance on it or anything?
Yeah.
Did they take care of it? Did the insurance pay for it?
The insurance paid for it, but then I had to pay the deductible of $500.
$500. Okay. All right. That's going to be the restitution. That's going to be the restitution, $500 for you. If the insurance wants to go after Salvador Mendoza, they're going to sue him for whatever they paid on the Nissan. Okay.
Okay.
So it'll be $500 to Jaciel Hernandez. State, do you have his phone number and everything, or we need it right now?
I'm fine, Judge.
You got everything?
Yes.
Okay. That'll do it, Jaciel. You're excused. Thank you very much. Okay, sir?
Thank you.
They'll be in contact with you later, okay?
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, Justin, he has Ms. Nerida Morales Martinez, number 11.
Number 11.
And then he also has companions that are non-DWI.
Okay.
She is not available because she did tell us last time that she will be in federal court.
That's right.
And she did call the office to remind us.
Okay, but what do we have on this one here?
I think Mr. Justin has a proof that he does have.
That's right, the compliance, right? Okay, Justin Lance Watley, he's connecting right now. He is connecting right now, and is that it for the hearing? I mean, the compliance, right? The main thing?
Mhm.
And then everything will move it up. All right, he's connecting. All right, there he is. There he is. He needs to unmute now. Unmute, Mr. Watley.
Mute. There you go.
Okay, there you go, Mr. Watley. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Let's see. We're here on CR 21-03-690D, Justin Lance Watley compliance hearing. You were supposed to get the interlock device, right, sir?
Yes, sir. I got it right here, the paperwork.
Okay. In Taxalock.
Yes, sir. There's actually a lot of paperwork in here.
Okay. What else do you need, Mr. Ramirez?
Judge, Justin, you have my email. Can you just take a picture where your name and on that first page and send it to my email?
Yes, ma'am. I don't have your email.
I had emailed you last month that I'm not, if you, I don't know
You
if you
did,
got it.
I might have, I just, at the moment, I don't have it, or I'm not for
That's fine.
100% sure that I have.
Okay, that's fine. I'll get with Intoxalock, Judge.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay. So then, Mr. Wadley, please, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have other cases. Your attorney is not available. She called earlier or let us know. And we're going to reset all your cases for August 30th, 9 o'clock. What a minute.
Yes, sir.
2023?
August 30th.
Well, you know what? It's August 30th, 2023, 9 a.m. But we'll
Okay,
let your
let me-
lawyer, we'll let your lawyer know, okay?
Okay, could you please repeat that one more time, sir, please? August
30th.
So I can write it down?
August 30th, 2023.
Next year?
Next year, correct. Mhm.
Okay.
All
Yes,
right.
sir. At 9
But-
a.m.?
Yes.
Yes, 9 a.m. But we're gonna let the whole
Yeah,
know.
but he needs to know because she
All right.
said last time that he has a hard time getting hold of him.
Oh, okay. So get that date, Mr. Wiley, because the next time all your cases are going to be for that hearing date, okay?
Okay, sir, so I'm okay to go?
Yes, sir. You're free to go. Thank you very much.
All right, yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, number
All right,
12,
yes, sir.
restitution
Right.
hearing. Defendant is Cesar Armando Cantu.
César. No, Jesús Armando Cantú. Right, Jesús?
All right, I'm free to go.
Okay. Jesús, I'm sorry, state. We have CR 21-04-134D. Jesús Armando Cantú.
Yes, Judge. The restitution we set at 0 for this one, Judge.
Zero restitution.
And then we have the last case we have is number 21. Also restitution on Jose Fidencio Torres.
Jose Fidencio Torres. CR 22-01-028D. Yes, state.
Yes, Judge. Restitution will be set at 0, Judge.
It'll be zero restitution. Anybody else?
That's it.
Okay, on the Watley cases, I didn't call the numbers, but there were like how many more? About three more. Well, let me put them all together here. CR 21-04-134D, CR 21-04-341D, CR 21-04-342D, CR 21-04-343D, all of them, Justin Watley, all of them being reset for August 30th, 2023. Notice to defendant. All right, don't do it.